I'll do anything for you. Anything!
Okay, Rachel. Since this is your first time at this, I'm gonna break it down for you. Guys and girls fall into certain archetypes when they get drunk. Exhibit A, Santana, the weepy, hysterical drunk.
You like her more than me. She's blonde and awesome and so smart. Admit it. Just admit it. No, kiss me.
Lauren's Isis and Quinn, the angry girl drunks.
I can't believe what you did to my body. I used to have abs.
I told you that hairstyle was cool, Geronimo.
Chill out. Brittany, also known as the girl who turns into a stripper drunk.
Making it red. That's my girlfriend. I love you, baby.
Mercedes and Tina, happy girl drunks. Oh! And then we come around full circle, right back to you, Rachel. And right now, you're being the needy girl drunk. Hanging all over me, being overly lovey, it's not cool.